What's up YouTube, it's Rico here, CEO of Sourcefinding Asia, back with another one, and I'm coming to you live from Livingstone, Zambia, and I've got a couple of things with me. It's fucking crazy, man. I can literally go up, they're real, I can literally go up and touch one. This guy looks angry.
Yeah, kick it. I never dreamt about spending no money. I only dream about flying above everybody. And I dream every night, but only rise 'cause the sunlight shines on me through the shutters. Listen to rappers rhyming how they've been through the gutters. Fucking motherfuckers over bread or butter, so I wonder where the love is. Yeah, I'll tell anyone to spit, as long as they bring it from the heart. I keep doing it the same as I did it from the start. Don't know where I fit in the game, but tell the bitch I play my part. Change coming through, so the truth changed too. They don't remember who they knew, now they know Loon. Oh, even I couldn't get paid on the Looney Tune show. Only time I'm on stage when I sneak through control. Spit heat when I flow.
One word, 9 letters, bro. Happiness, the word that makes us grow. Worldwide peace signs are lifted. Put your positive sign up if you gifted. One word, 9 letters, bro. Happiness, the word that makes us grow. Worldwide peace signs are lifted. Put your positive sign up if you gifted. Man, I'm feeling happy. I'm orbiting meters above the moon, with Lou and Loon going baboon. Resurrected the former goons in our flow. Coheban vibes, slightly aggressive Castro. I'm Astro in the cut, getting ready to show my tech flow. Do re mi fa solo, any melody's my gesso. Lean, a Yankee Lake, a transportation dream. I evacuate my stress by simply kicking with the team. Evacuate my stress by kicking me shit on your team. I'm galvanizing you, guiding you, start back in the fold. Helping learn reality to you will seem so cool. So let us limit dollars, lawless, lolling, lots of pompous, drinking tons of vodka and smoking a lots of Trafka. Fuck this nation, I unify while black and gray Asian. Forget about distinction, let's ignore our hesitation and start chasing peace in a world that's stop with rated. And when we've done that shit, that's what we'll say we patriotic. One word, 9 letters, bro. Happiness, the word that makes us grow. Worldwide peace signs are lifted. Put your positive sign up if you gifted. One word, 9 letters, bro. Happiness, the word that makes us grow. Worldwide peace signs are lifted. Put your positive sign up if you gifted.
Man, this is what it is for me, man. This is what I love to do. This is my life that I'm living. Happy boy. Everywhere I go I see beautiful things. Everything I do is beautiful. I just got some real feelings. I got a love for everybody. Not discluding myself, you know. Gotta love yourself, gotta love what you do, you know.
What's up YouTube, it's Rico here, CEO of Sourcefinding Asia, and as I said, I'm coming to you live from Livingstone. This is the Zambezi River. It's one of the longest rivers in Africa, specifically the longest river in Southern Africa for sure. It also connects to the Nile, which is, I'm sure anybody that's familiar with the Bible knows the significance of the Nile River, which is the longest river in Africa. One of the longest rivers in the world, if not the longest. And behind me, you can see the mist behind me, that's Victoria Falls. So the Victoria Falls used to be, I think, one of the 9 wonders in the world. I'm here on a little bit of a vacation. It's kind of a random trip coming off of a lot of business travel, the Philippines, Hong Kong, traveling around China. Kind of decided to take a little relaxation. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not necessarily going to be talking specifically about business in China, but what I want to talk about is investing in countries that are developing, investing in countries that are not necessarily there yet, but they will be there in the future. So this is the reason why I moved to China in the first place, right? Like a lot of people, even when I was leaving Toronto, a lot of people were saying like, why would you leave Toronto? What's in China? A lot of people were doubting me. coming from an immigrant family, like my parents weren't necessarily the happiest about me leaving the Western world, the developed world, to go to the East, right? But for me, I think also because we traveled so much as a kid and we migrated countries, it was a no-brainer for me. Like immigrants move for opportunities, and there's a reason why there's so many immigrant-owned businesses in the US and Canada. So I just look at it as a natural thing. Now the thing is, when you do move countries and you go to a place where there's opportunity, it's going to take a long time to set up because the infrastructure and certain things that you're accustomed to, where the business culture is different. And I think places like Gary Vaynerchuk's talking about that, and I think places like Zambia and Africa in general, but Zambia specifically is a very stable country. It's never had any sort of wars. It's very peaceful. It's small, open to investment, open to foreigners coming in. And that's just one example. There's many countries. And I'm not, like, I haven't traveled that much in Africa, so I can't really talk about each country in depth. But I'm sure there's plenty of other countries that are similar to that with different types of opportunities. And I just think about that all the time. It's like, I want to go to places where, one, my money goes a long way. Two, there's opportunities to start something that could be a very basic thing. I think a lot of people get excited about tech, they're very excited about new business models and sort of doing the thing that everybody else does, trying to be the next Mark Zuckerberg. But the reality is, these are once-in-a-generation entrepreneurs. For the average person, you're not going to create the next Facebook or Instagram. You're going to want to try to find a business that is you're probably going to end up in a business model that is not new, and you need to bring a little bit of innovation to it. So my thought process is that when you go to countries where things are developing, you can take pre-existing business ideas and pre-existing business models and then apply that to that country. Now the next thing is you obviously have to find people in that country that you can connect with and be partners with, and then you also need to figure out what makes sense for that country, because you can't, like a place, for example, like a place like Zambia, you couldn't bring Uber to Zambia 10 years ago or 8 years ago, because mobile payments and credit card payments were almost non-existent for the average Zambian. Like, for somebody to have a credit card in Zambia, that meant that they were pretty rich. Now everybody has a Visa card, MasterCard. Now everybody has mobile payments, and everybody's used to paying for stuff online. So now there's local companies that are sort of Uber type companies, but they're Zambian owned and they're created by Zambians, and they're growing. They're just basically copying Uber, but doing it in a Zambian way. That's kind of like the case of point Didi in China, right? So there's little things like that. Like, I just think about that. It's like, if you're somebody who is ambitious, is willing to struggle a little bit, is willing to take the time to learn about a new culture, to learn about a new business, to be uncomfortable, to maybe not have all of the amenities that you're used to in your home country, you can be really successful, because you can go to these places and you can take your connections from your home country, you can make new connections in a new country, you can bring business ideas and business models that are maybe a few years ahead in this country. You can bring new ideas, you can innovate things that already exist, and you could be really successful. So I just want people to think about that a little bit. Like, I'm not saying, even going back to my original point, there's still countries in Southeast Asia that I like that. Like, right, I'm not going to mention one country because I've been talking about it too much and I don't want the secret to be out, but places like Cambodia, man. Like, Cambodia is, just opened up, like 5 years ago? There's a lot of opportunities in Cambodia. This is going to take a lot of effort and a lot of time and a lot of work to be able to do something like that. So, alright, man, I'm going to sign off because I'm supposed to be on vacation and my buddy's like hanging out kind of like by himself, so I don't want to spend all this time talking to you guys on YouTube. But just wanted to give you guys a little, show you a little bit of the scenery here, give you a little bit of my thoughts. Of course, like I said, this is a different business video. And by the way, guys, if you like these kind of videos, if you like this kind of video where I'm not necessarily talking specifically about business in China, but I'm talking more about my business philosophy and sort of how I think about life, I do talk about this more in the podcast, the Made in China podcast. But if you want me to make more YouTube videos like this, I could just basically have a separate playlist where I'll do these kind of videos, and it'll be outside of my regular right, so I guess like, comment, subscribe.
One word, 9 letters, bro. Happiness, the word that makes us grow. Worldwide peace signs are lifted. Put your positive sign up if you gifted. One word, 9 letters, bro. Happiness, the word that makes us grow. Worldwide peace signs are lifted. Put your positive